channel. I do hope you're doing well. You're going to see me in this for this and baking because it's a dual cooking day. We're doing the fake way now and then we are also doing the baking for later. So if you see me in both outfits, the same one, aka my dressing gown, that is why. You will see an overview in a minute of the ingredients and you're going to be thinking, you're missing the all-important thing for a toad in the hole. I have actually made the batter about 2 hours ago because it's in the fridge getting lovely and cold because we need that sizzle. So when you see the overview, the fridge is going to be holding our batter. Now this should be quick and easy, guys. She says, I may be adding a bit of mustard into the mash, but it's going to be classic toad in the hole, mash, gravy and peas. Onion gravy as well. So, I mean, I can't really mess this up, can I? If you've seen my videos before, I don't like to brag, but I do really think that my Yorkshire puddings, they come out like mini mannings. I'm very happy with them. So I'm hoping that along the same basis, a toad in the hole could work the same way. Mum has just told me, oh, I had a bit of chicken shop when I was out earlier. And I'm like, well, you're still going to have a little portion because I cooked it for you and it's cooking day. I said, well, you won't want any bread and butter pudding then? Oh, no, all of a sudden she had room for bread and butter pudding. So I'm like, okay, we will see how this goes, Mother. So I will show you the overview. We need to get some oil in our dish, put the chipolatas in, and then they're going to cook for just about 5-10 minutes to brown off. And then it should be, take it out, pour the batter on, in for half hour, we're good to go. Fingers crossed. That's how it should go.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different. Still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments. Doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors. They kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes, we never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are.
Wondering, Shan, why are you not using sausages from Brogan's Butchers? But when I actually checked the recipe for this, it said to use chipolatas. So as you would have seen, I went for pork and honey because, yeah, I just wanted a little bit of flavouring. And as I say, we just drizzle it with a bit of oil because this has all got to be, okay, that's a lot of oil. Oopsie, okay. The top was thingy. We've got to give it a zhuzh around, and then the oil has got to get like smokingly hot for then when we put the batter on top to see how it goes. So yes, this is going to go in the oven, as I say, just 5-10 minutes just to brown them, and then we pour on the batter and fingers crossed it's going to be a good one. But yes, let me just pop these in, guys. I am still putting a tray underneath them because I don't want to like risk any like over spillages or anything like that. What I am going to do, we're just going to have some plain peas, and then I will be asking, oh God, come on peas, good pile of peas. I will be asking for some help from Dan for the potatoes, and then whilst we're doing that, I'm going to check if we've got mustard, because I've got to love a bit of mustard mash. So peas, they're not going to be cooked yet, but they're just going to go on the top. And then now, should we set a timer for 10 minutes? Let's have a look. I deactivated Siri because she was absolutely annoying me. 10 minutes and counting. Right, the timer has just gone, so I need to work quick with this now, guys. I've got to get the sausages out, and then okay. I feel like I want them in a bit more. I don't think 10 minutes is enough. You know what? Oh, that's actually because I've got it on the wrong temperature. I'll put it on 180 and it should be on 210. Right, let's do another 8 minutes. See if they're a bit more crispy this time.
That's these. This lot here. All done.
Right. Woo! That's definitely a bit more browner. This needs to sizzle. Oh god, it's all going in this kitchen, guys.
Lean to it.
Fighting for the peeling of the titties. Right. Let's have a look. This is going to go in. The sausages are just going to... 35 minutes. In it goes. And we should have a lovely toad in the hole. Fingers crossed.
We fly around like paper planes, we never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are.
Timer has just bleeped. Danny's going to do the mash, and look what we're using. We are using the crunchy honey mustard that we actually picked up from the farm shop when we was down Nan's. Colinda. So we're going to put a bit of that because I was like, what do we put in? I also do have a strongbow because, I mean, why not? I've just quickly checked the toad in the hole and I'm like, oh my god. The batter seems to have like pushed all the sausages to one side, so I'm going to have to be careful how I get it out. But I'm going to quickly get the kettle, put it on for the onions, and then away we go. This has actually been very burnt.
There's something different about us. 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 Something different about the way we are.
Here she is. She's resting with her bandage off. Look at the toad in the hole.
Oh my goodness.
Let's have a look. Is your elbow still as yellow as your thing? Yes, it's still deformed. Ew. Right,
Oh.
we will dish it up. Dan's done the little mustard mash. You can go and relax. Would you like another beer?
No, thank you. I've got some there.
Okay, I'll bring your dinner in.
Yeah, just give me a small one. Do you want me to do anything?
No, it's all under control.
Oh, thank you.
Bye!
Oh. I've only hurt my arm, viewers. What, imagine if I broke my foot. Should be running round after me.
Bye!
There's something different about us. Something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. Something different about the way we are. There's something different about us.
I was going to take you into Mum and she said, don't come and film me because she's a little bit cack-handed at the minute. So we'll get her views after, because after this, she's also got bread and butter pudding. The sausages did go a bit haywire. They went all to one side. But It's not bad. You would have seen the mustard we used was what we got from the farm shop when we went up to see Nan. And it's definitely sweeter. You don't get that punch of the mustard. And I think this is perfect. Not even just comfort food, but a quick and easy dinner. Like under an hour. Yeah. But if, say, you just had flour, eggs, milk and some sausages indoors and you thought, oh, what can I rustle up for a dinner? Straight into this. Or you could do the chipolatas in the Yorkshire pudding tin and have them as like little mini toad in the holes instead of a big one. But yes, football is on tonight as I'm filming this, guys. Obviously the final would have passed by the time this goes up. I said I remember the last time in the Euros I actually won £100 off a Dada because we lost against Italy. And I sent the infamous voice note of 100 cornetto, give it to me. To which I got a very expletive voice note back. And Mum, she didn't know what voice noting was. So she couldn't understand that Dad's voice was coming through the phone, but Dad wasn't on the phone. So that was an escapade in itself. But these pork and honey chipolatas are lovely. And some people may say, your toad in the hole looks a bit well done, but I like a nice crunchy Yorkshire pudding. And believe it or not, this is actually my first toad in the hole that I've done. Never done one before.
I'd have another one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'll give this like an 8.5. I
Not
like
your
it.
best dinner, but it's not unedible.
It's quick, easy, rustle up, get in my belly and do the job.
Definitely.
So, we're going to finish this off. We're going to probably watch... Oh, there's another Iceland challenge from Beard Meets Food. We're going to quickly...
No, where's he see that one?
This is again in Reykjavik, I think.
Oh.
So we're going to quickly watch this and then football will be on and I will check in with you when we're seeing what Mum's review was.
Oh, viewers,
What?
I can't use this hand. I'm having to use it with the spoon.
It's weird because you're cack-handed, isn't it?
What do you mean?
Doing it with that hand, you're cack-handed.
Yeah.
Mum's got the old football on. What do we think? Oh, look at her knee, guys.
Yes.
Do you want me to put any Sudocrem or anything on
I
there?
don't know, it's just a bit scaly, isn't it?
Probably didn't want to see that if she was eating her dinner.
No, but that's what happened. It come from the impact when on with the leather trousers.
Oh, you've eaten all your Yorkshire?
Yeah, yeah.
What do you think of the pork and honey chipolatas?
Lovely, lovely. I'll come out and wash up in a minute.
And the mustard mash?
Lovely, lovely.
Are you going to be able to savour him for a bit of bread and butter pudding?
I'll try.
Should try to have a little bit. What would you rate it out of 10?
10.
Okay, I'll give it 8.5.
Oh, why?
I don't know, I feel like I could have put more batter on it. Does anyone else feel cack-handed if you're used to eating with one hand and then you go for another one?
I just hope I'm alright by the time we go out for my meal.
I know you'll have to be. I'll have to jazz up your sling a bit if not.
Yeah, yeah.